In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your laptop so it feels brand new again, just like the day you bought it. First, open your Start menu and type Settings, then click on the Settings window. On the left side, click on System, scroll down and select Recovery. Next, to reset this PC, click Reset PC. You will now see two options. Keep My Files. This keeps your personal files like photos and documents, but removes apps and resets Windows settings. Remove Everything. This deletes absolutely everything, including your personal files, apps, and settings. If you want a true fresh start, select Remove Everything. For this tutorial, I'll choose Keep My Files, since I want to keep my documents. You'll now be asked how you want to reinstall Windows, cloud download, or local reinstall. I recommend local reinstall because it's faster and doesn't require an internet download. You can also click Change Settings if you want to adjust reset options. Click Next and wait while Windows prepares the reset. You'll see a summary explaining that all Windows settings will return to default. Your personal files will be kept if you chose Keep My Files. All apps and programs will be removed. Windows will be reinstalled. You can also click View Apps that will be removed to see the full list. Once you're ready, click Reset. Final step. Your laptop will restart and begin the reset process. After it finishes, your laptop will be clean, refreshed, and running like new. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.